In my previous video, I spoke about how I'm changing the flooring because of my new one. And so today, I think we've been working for some days now. So it's all done and it's looking amazing for me. And let's go have a look. Let's see how it's looking at the moment. Hi everyone, it's your girl Celine again, and you're most welcome to my channel. So if you've been following me, you will notice I've been doing my flooring, and so today I'm done with it and I want us to see how it's looking at the moment. My little one wouldn't sit today, so I'm filming with him. So let's go have a look, and your comments are welcome. Let's see if you really admired my my repairs to my council house. For me, it looks amazing. I love how the flooring is at the moment, because if he starts crawling, I wouldn't have any problem at all. Yes, so if you're ready, let's go. So when I had the council house, this was how it was looking. The carpet was okay for me from the beginning, but after I had my new one, I wanted him to have a bit comfort. Okay, so I had to change it. And now this is how it's looking at the moment. I got these materials from B&Q, and for me it looks so cool. It was also affordable to get the items for the floor. So it moves straight into the living room, which also has been repaired very nicely and neatly with the support of a hobby. And I think it's all coming together very, very well. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comment section, guys. So with this, I kind of feel my home is looking a bit of luxury, and I love how it is. I got this rack also from B&Q, which is looking splendid for me. Okay, so my living room and that of the hallway is actually making so much sense for me now. I feel so much like comfort in as much as I'm doing it for my little one. It's also giving me so much joy. So that's all about it, and I hope it's helpful. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a good day and cheers.